Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with the stock market update on Tuesday, June 1st. I hope you had a good 3-day weekend and remembered our men and women in military service. The stock market looks like it's ready to make a move. Which way is probably up, but there's a little bit of doubt about that. So let's discuss things. The SPX is near its new all-time highs, recently all-time highs, at 42.38. And if it breaks on through there to new highs, it'll probably accelerate greatly to the upside. That's what's happened several times in the last year plus, whenever it backed and filled a little and then made a new high. However, it is still within the trading range whose bottom end is 40.60. So a failure here could mean a move all the way back to there. And so that's still a possibility. If 40.60 is taken out, then you're looking at support at 4,000 and then 38.70. But I think if 40.60 is taken out, that would be quite negative, having risen this far first. So right now that chart is sort of, I'd say tenuous. It's waiting for direction. The put call ratios are still on sell signals. That means they're rising. The pace of the rise has slowed, but they're still rising. So the computer analysis programs that we use to look at those charts says they're still on sell signals. The breadth has improved a lot. The breadth oscillators are both positive, and all the cumulative breadth indicators are making new all-time highs right now, too. Now, that's not necessarily predictive, except for the case of cumulative volume breadth. And since that's at a new all-time high, that is a very good predictor that SPX will also go to a new all-time high. New highs continue to outpace new lows, not by the robust amount that they were, say, a couple of months ago, but they're still winning the battle there. So that indicator remains bullish. So that brings us to volatility. Volatility, VIX has dropped a lot recently. So the spike peak buy signal is still in effect, and VIX is in a downtrend, which is bullish for stocks. So the only, potential negative you could say there at all is that VIX still hasn't made a new relative low for the year. It's still hanging around 17, 18. But for those of us who like a little volatility, that's fine. VIX at 13 is kind of boring. And finally, the construct of volatility futures is quite bullish. The futures have VIX futures have a big premium on them, and their term structure slopes upwards. So all in all, it's a fairly bullish picture, but there is still that matter of resistance at the all-time high. So a straddle buy might not be a bad idea. Buying an at-the-money SPY straddle right now, say expiring in July, and then whichever way it moves from here, you should be okay. So thanks for listening. Have a great week trading, and good luck.